You guys ready to make s'mores after this?
Yeah.
All right. Pretty cool grill, huh?
Yeah.
So it's just another Friday, and we have this Bali 2-in-1 fire pit. We're gonna crack it open, put it together, and we're gonna make a little carne asada. We're gonna go ahead and put this thing together. Built this thing in about 30 minutes. I got my power tool, little adjustable wrench, and it's really just Phillips, a little nut on the end, and you can put this thing together in minutes. So it put together, like I said, really easily, and this thing is pretty heavy duty, sturdy. Really loving the swivel effect and the height adjustments. You know, I can go up and down. Pretty cool. Acts like a Santa Maria grill in a way. So, you know, if you know me, then you know that I love to smoke. So I'm going to be using this thing for smoking, and obviously, you know, I'm going to have my kids. Today's just a typical Friday, man. Coming home, making some meat, doing a little corn, and then we're going to be doing some s'mores. It's on and popping. All right, we got the vibe going, a little music, and now let's go ahead and light this baby up with our torch. If you don't have a torch, you should get one. I'm going to adjust the height to the lowest setting so I can get a little bit of heat. I am going to start with the smoke, but as the fire builds, it's going to get hot. I have my ranchera right here. I'm just seasoning it with a nice, you know, salt, pepper, garlic, and herb rub. I'm going to hit both sides. And then we're going to go ahead and throw it on our Bali grill. Yeah, dude, honestly, I love to be outside. I love cooking outside. It's just so much better. You can't be doing this kind of cooking inside the house. You know, making a mess, smelling all smoky. But outside, no one cares. Only the neighbors, because they want to eat your food. No, but serious. Look, check it out. We got the smoked corn, smoked chorizo, and then we got some carne asada there as well. Hey, guys. You guys ready to make s'mores after this?
Yeah.
All right. Pretty cool grill, huh?
Yeah.
Look, you have this. Watch, touch this. Touch it. Touch it. Put your hand on there. See how you can put your s'mores here and you won't burn your hands? Pretty cool, right?
Yeah.
All right, look, we're cooking now.
What is that?
This is meat. This 360 swivel grate is a game changer for controlling the heat on my tortillas while the meat sears. Check it out. Honestly, I really like this thing. It's very simple to use, and I really like that I can build a fire, and I can either keep it low and slow to smoke like you're seeing here, or I can build that fire up a little bit higher for like a hot and fast sear. Or I can just keep that heat higher for, like, you know, a fire pit, or low and slow for like s'mores. I like to heat a little lower for the s'mores, so that's really what we're going to be accomplishing today. Just kind of keeping that heat controlled. But yeah, you can feed it some wood logs in there and it'll definitely do its job. Now that we got our tacos all assembled, our salsa and our lime, it's time to give it a taste. Wow, absolutely incredible, man.
I love it.
And put the other one on top. This, and then put it up.
They can put the chocolate.
You know.
Huh. They can you like fun?